Sorry about that. I forgot I was recording. But what is on, guys? TB and Killer 23. I'm back at it again with another video today. I'm sorry I haven't been posting on my other channel. It's called TB and the Vlog. It's just that I don't have no subscribers on this phone, so I'm trying to keep it up with this one. But I'll make some videos too on it. And go check out my cousin's new channel, Killer 23 Vlogs. Subscribe to his channel, and Supreme Killer 23 and AZ Killer 23. Well, they're both the same, but and subscribe to my channel. But let's get on to the video. Oh my God, stupid ass. I don't know if I should do it. It's kind of boring because I don't even. I'm gonna eat 2 at a time. Oh, my mouth got watery. I was gonna make a video with you at Isaac Killer, but since you didn't want to come, I mean, I think you're actually telling the truth, but you couldn't eat Takis. Wait, I think that's you. Sorry for not talking, I was just trying to hear. That's AZ's mom on the phone. And by the way, guys, I got a new haircut. Wait, I'm gonna check something really fast. Hopefully AZ Killer 23 comes to this one. I don't know why I never wear these shoes. I messed them up a lot because I always play them with soccer. Oh shoot. You heard that? Let's go, nigga. Let's go. Guys, could you get this answer? Look, if you keep saying it, you're gonna get it. Monica. Get it? Monica. 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 A nickel. Super boring right now. fun when AJ Killer 23 comes. Or Killer 23 vlogs. I already subscribed to him. I'm not like Splash Cow, I'm just sucking it, and I always suck in food. Like, I go, especially spaghetti. And Mochi, if you're watching this, come back already. It's fun with you too. Mukbang. We hanging. Mukbang. We hanging. With his goodies. Yummy bites. Tell me if I should like do a Call of Duty video or something, or a channel of Call of Duty or something, or GTA, or both gamers. So I could have three channels. TV and the vlogs, TV and Killer 23, the one right now, and I'll think of a gamer YouTube channel. Oh, damn. My mom just called his mom, and she said he could come. I think he was just making up lies. Do I want to do a prank right now? All I do is challenges. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me what videos I should do or challenges. I like the ones in class because it's funny. But subscribe and post notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.